A great way to find new prospects is to locate individuals who work at a company that's recently gone through or is filing an IPO or initial public offering. The great news is you can use the Advisor Intel Engine to find those companies. Just log into the Advisor Intel Engine and go to the Money in Motion Activities area. Go into the location field and type in the name of a city, and then in the AND word field, enter IPO. Click the Funding Activity button, and you'll pull up a list of companies that have recently filed or have recently gone through an initial public offering in your selected city. You can click and read the article, or you don't really even have to do that. Just grab the name of the company, go back into the Intel Engine. We'll go up to the Biz People search area, and you can search for even all employees at that company. In the company name field, just enter in the company name, click Search Profiles Online, and you'll pull up a list of those employees at the company. If you wanted to limit your search to just executives at that organization, just go back into the Intel Engine, find the Biz People search by title, paste in the company name, and you can click Founder or Owner, C-Suite Executives, any of the titles, and find the key decision makers at the company. They're most likely going to be open at this time to be talking to a financial advisor because they have a money in motion activity going on in their life. So use the Intel Engine to find initial public offerings, IPOs in your city. You can even search by industry, lots of different criteria. Reach out to those people and grow your business.